In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a reference manually in Mendeley. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open Mendeley, and then you want to go to Add References top left, and then you want to click on Add Reference Manually over here. Now, to do this, you'll have to put in the identifiers first, so if you have them, you can just basically type them in here to actually look up for metadata. So that would be like the easiest way. If, for example, you have like a PDF or whatever, and you know something like the DOI number or something like this, that's going to be quite easy because you'll be able to automatically fill in the metadata, okay? So I'm just going to type in a random DOI. I'm going to type it in like this. Or, of course, usually it's like a link like doi.org. You can click on the search button, and there we go. As you can see, it populated everything automatically, and I don't even have to do it manually. But in case you don't have this, so if it's like blank like this, and you don't know any of these identifiers, then you have to go the manual route. And first, you want to do the reference type, so it can be whatever. I'm going to do journal article. Then you can do the title, so you can type in the title, the exact title you want to use. I'm just going to do sample right now. Then the authors, and I'm just going to do instant how to, okay, like this. As you can see, it's recommended you actually do last name and then comma first name. So for example, how to instant, okay. Of course, you can add multiple if you want to. Then you have to put in the name of your journal. So I'm just going to put sample all of this. Year is going to be 2026, and then you can put in the pages if you want to as well. You have the volume, you have the issue, you have the month. So it's completely up to you what you put here. Of course, if you put in the wrong info, then it's not going to be valid. But so you must search up the info inside that specific article in case you can't get either a PDF or you can't even get like a DOI or any other number. And then whenever you're done, and of course, whenever you've typed in kind of the abstract over here, which you can also paste or like type in yourself, you can just add the entry, and you've successfully added your reference manually in Mendeley. Now you can just go in here and of course change something. So I made a mistake with the year over here. I can just change it like this. So for example, 2026, there we go. And you can just go and basically change whatever you want. You can click on change over here, and it's going to allow you to basically edit or add anything. And if at one point you actually manage to find any of these identifiers, you can still paste them in here and click on the search button next to it, and it's going to automatically kind of refresh and update the data, and it's going to be the latest one and the correct one as well, okay? So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.